Here's how to check if your Android phone is carrier locked or unlocked. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your Android phone. After going to the settings of your Android phone, the next thing that you're going to do is to scroll down and click on the connected devices option. After clicking on the connected devices options, you will be able to see there the mobile networks option. Once you see there the mobile networks option, go ahead and click on that as well. After clicking on that, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the network operators. Now, click on the network operators. Once you see there the network operators, you will be able to see there the SIM cards that you have. Now, if you don't see available networks right there, it means that your Android phone is carrier locked. But if you see the available networks, then it is not locked.